Hi guys, welcome to my channel TKF Electronics. Today I will show you how to factory reset Yamaha home theater model RX-V457. I'll just show you how to do factory reset. There are two types of methods are there. I'll show you first method. Put it off. This is one method. So this is one method. One more is there. Yeah, now another method I'll show you how to factory reset. See. Okay, and I'll go to RAM 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, install 9, preset, inhibit, and just turn it off. This is another method. On. It's okay. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much. Bye.